Hi, welcome back to Trini Bites. Today we're going to be doing a competition between my dad and Justin. They're both going to be making a beef tenderloin. One will be barbecued and one will be baked. One judge will be me and one judge will be Ryan.
What's going on?
So Justin's gonna season his tenderloin, and then I will do mine's my way. But I don't want him to see, so we're gonna block off this little area here. All right. So Justin, go ahead. See what you're gonna do today.
All right, so mine is very basic, very straightforward type of recipe. I'm still gonna win. So all we need is our beef, a few cloves of garlic, a knife, and we have our secret blend here. Stop looking here. Right. So first thing first is we've opened out our tenderloin. We're gonna poke some holes. Slice this up.
Some good technique. Good technique.
Alright, we take the cloves. We're gonna slide it down inside there.
You man sweating here.
I call him foul. You know why? How come he eat tenderloin? The time two is the same size. What does he want?
Hard follow.
Who cut it? Who cut it?
Yeah.
You know, understand? This is thing is done unfair already here. It's like Master Bahar.
Hard follow and he call him.
It's like a chapter show.
Yeah, well,
Man,
you know,
mortar and pestle and thing.
the man complaining is the man who cut it, so.
Why he doing that? The man crap out of this.
Yeah, I mean, take a shot there, regular. Make sure you hold
Throw it all.
Halfway through Justin trying to marinate his stuff. We
Not trying, I am.
Take a drink in between.
Every day.
Alright, so we have all the garlic in. We're just gonna generously spread this across.
That'll probably be season up alligator anyway.
For real.
Yeah. Hey, dinosaur tongue.
Knows it's good for him.
Alright, so finished. This is what it looks like. Now we're just gonna let this sit for about half an hour. In the meantime, we're gonna get our grill ready. And he's gonna start to marinate his one.
Alright, so what a real chef does, that's garbage. What I did, I split mine down the middle here. So you can get all the nice seasoning inside. And what I have here now is I am going to put this is rosemary and her sister garlic and pepper. Justin, could you just step around? Please don't know what I'm doing. Now, a bit of salt in there. Alright, so I'm gonna get this ready.
Hey, please do not fling your garbage across the board so it land on my masterpiece.
After I done pound it up, you don't have to get too, you know, like
Fine.
too fine, you know, you just a little bit so you can get a taste.
That's really good.
Because everything has to come out whole anyway. Alright, so that's it there. Oh, that thing smells good. I already beat him already, but you know, buy us some curry flavor in this place here. Some salt in. Paprika. Black pepper. You mix them up. And then you pack him inside there. Look at that. Look at that. You can smell that. So what I'm going to do now is wrap him. And Ryan is going to give me a piece of the twine. Time there.
You're on your own.
So cut a piece.
Anybody on you?
There's a scissors there, man.
You see,
This is-
I ain't competition.
Cut it,
Right?
cut it.
I ain't competition. Right?
The judge helping the chef.
And he's saying I teeth it.
Who teeth it now?
That's in your wrong line and thing.
Yeah, so just let this tie here.
Let's see how
You
you
know what I mean? You tie, like when you tie goat in Trinidad. It looks like I never tie goat in my life yet, so. Yeah. Dustin is watching and crying.
Watch. Taking two man to make one piece of shit.
Alright, so I'm not done yet. I have to get some olive oil and paste it right around. First I'm going to do some salt. Not much.
Oh, I didn't expect it to be like this.
Every Trini oven should look like this.
Always, no matter what. Like a pot.
Everything, oh my god. So, paste it with a little bit of olive oil. Nice, look at this, beautiful customers. What is this?
Customers.
I'm interested. These are two completely different tenderloins.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is preheat the oven while he tried to light a barbecue grill in minus 25 degrees outside. My one should be done before that.
Grill done light, and it's pretty nice outside. I went out there in a t-shirt.
Okay, so I set the oven to 350 and let's get this thing started. It's time for
Time for a drink here.
Ale mausi rasoye halwa.
What does that mean?
That means halwa.
Alright, so our grill has been preheating for a good while now. It's nice and hot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sear all sides, and then we're gonna rest it in the middle on low heat and let it cook for as long as it needs to be cooked for. We'll keep checking it and making sure it stays nice and tender.
So while the competition is going on, I'm gonna make an orange and tangerine chow. My favorite. The oven is preheated, 350. It's ready. And it's time to go in here. My daughter says she don't eat orange. She don't eat tangerine. She wants to combine the chow. So we will call this a all-in-one chow. Taste it, just.
Got it.
What if you smell that? Oh my god. Alright, so we finished the product and we're gonna have a tasting now. This is what we have here, and we have Chris and Ryan is gonna go take a taste and see who have won this competition.
3, 2. Whoa. It's good. It's not stiff. Real good. Yo. Oh.
1, 2, 3.
There is a clear winner in this competition here.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
we both agree who it's
Yeah.
going to be.
All right.
And we're gonna go present it to them
and see how they take it.
All right.
Yeah, let's see.
All right.
Yeah.
Alright, so we decided who the winner is.
Number 1 plate or number 2 plate?
Let's see who can eat.
The winner.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey,
I hope
Tell them why though. Tell them why.
Right.
So we discussed.
But Justin's one was really good.
Justin one was cooked perfectly.
I think because of the rosemary in this one.
The way he
because of more
stuffed
flavor.
it, the flavor inside, it was inside.
The pepper and
If you
everything,
eat
yeah.
this and you eat that, it's two completely different things. If you combine now
But real good.
and you barbecue
What really good.
your style with his style,
Yeah.
that's what you need to
That's
do.
probably for a shot.
That's what you need to
Oh, it was good. It was good though.
Oh yeah. Fair and square. You know? Fair and square. All right.
Cheers to the winner.
do. Cheers to the winner.
Cheers. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Got some nice lamb here to put on.
Okay, so it's 9:56, and after all that beef, we still feeling to eat.
Roti, boy. Roti. Roti with fried egg and
Salmon.
salmon. You understand?
And all I better eat it or I could be in trouble.
I did that.
We got the salmon here.